to reach out to the faculty, and faculties will always be, we can say that we are there to serve you, and we'll be happy once we see you as successful in the upcoming years, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you very much for the love and affection. Thank you.
Work hard, and every moment, every step you put forward to your life is going to design your life better and becomes more inspirational to the future generations. Do that, and all the best.
Teacher is the most noblest profession in the world, because I can be a Kautilya for you. I can make you Chandraguptas. So I can make you kings. So that's a great opportunity to be a teacher. And just I want to wish you also as Happy Teachers Day.
So do come, drop by, meet. Even by meeting teachers, you get to learn a lot of things. Not specifically for doubts or for any specific reason. Just meeting and getting to learn is also very positive. Thank you very much, everyone.
See, today is a special day because I want to recollect two great teachers. One is life, the other one is UPSC.
My point here is that just reflect upon you and try to reflect that the good manifestations, whatever you have. And this platform provides you that kind of environment to be a good person.
Trust me, you will be a better individual compared to, let us say, a non-UPSC person. You will be a better individual. You will be more composed, and most important, you will be a good citizen.
We are the only one in the world who stand by humanitarian values. So if India rules the world, there will be humanity, and I hope you will be part of it. Thank you.
You will give something to the society, and that is very important. And we may not know this impact now, but trust me, the impact of this will be so much on the society when you understand it more. So saying this, I'll just wind up. Thank you all for organizing this.
And teacher is one who shapes the personality and who undergoes change. As a result, we were able to contribute best brains in the society to work for the nation building. Right?
పేషెన్స్ మేము మీతో డీల్ చేసి
కష్టపడండి, హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేయండి, అదొక్కటే ఉంటుంది. లేదంటే చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడతారు. చూసుకోండి అంతే. జస్ట్ వర్క్ హార్డ్, నథింగ్ మోర్ దెన్ దట్. అండ్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీవన్, అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ.
But I say, when I'm sitting here and I've been listening to everyone here, but wow guys, what an energy and what a potential you people are having. I just feel, many of the faculties here would agree with me. We have been sitting here with your energy and all. We actually are energized, and we actually are brought back to our graduation and our preparation days, and how we feel gratitude to our role models and our lecturers. So I'm feeling very gratitude, humbled by inviting me to here. Thank you everyone.
గోవిందుడు గురువు ఇద్దరు కనిపిస్తే నువ్వు ఎవరికి నమస్కారం పెడతావు అంటాడు. అప్పుడు రహీం ఏమంటాడంటే, గోవిందుడు అనేవాడు ఉన్నాడు అని చెప్పిన గురువుకి ఫస్ట్ నమస్కారం పెడతాను.